But I thought you said... Hey, follow me.
What? No, I'm not going anywhere with you. This is not the house where you can order me around.
You will come with me or else I will do something that you don't like. Now follow me.
I will not follow you.
I said follow.
No, leave me alone.
I said follow. I said you will follow me.
Leave me alone.
You
Stop
follow
it. Easy. Why do you keep meddling in my private life? Do I owe you anything? Wait a minute. Is it sex you want from me? Huh?
What kind of talk is that? Why would you even say that?
Then what is it? Why can't you mind your business and allow me handle mine? If you like me, I mean, you can say it.
Like you?
Yes.
I only decided to save you from making a mess of your life tonight.
And stop saving me.
Man, this is nice. What do you call this?
It's grass cutter.
Grass cutter. Let's buy it.
Buy with
Do you know how much we could buy this in the United States? Come on, man. Can I have 4?
4 for waiting, guy. Calm down. Why are you looking?
Take a look at that. Look at the girl. No. I want to talk to her, okay?
What's this guy, isn't it?
Hi.
Hi. How can I help you?
Yeah, I was just, standing over there trying to buy stuff for my friend, and I saw you here, and I couldn't help but look twice. So I decided to come talk to you, and I know you're in a hurry somewhere, so if I can get your number, that'll be all right. We could talk later or something.
You couldn't help but look twice.
Of course, yeah. You're
Don't
a
you
good-looking girl.
think that's such a weak line? I mean, I've heard it so many times. Huh? So like I said, what can I do for you?
Hey, relax, okay? There's no need to sound like this. I just wanted to talk. I don't want to harm you or anything.
Is this what you guys do now? You go about talking to every single lady you see, huh? Are you that jobless? Because you're driving that cheap thing. Look, I'm not that type of girl, okay? Now bounce.
What's your problem?
What is your problem?
You see, that's the problem with you ladies. You can't even give a man audience to talk to you. Bad character, bad mouth, bad everything. Are you going to get married to yourself? Please.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Nobody walks out on me. Get the hell out of my sight.
Guy, open the car. Let's go.
What are you chill now? We don't really order this thing.
I'm not buying it again. I said, let's go.
Calm down now, boy. Be clear.
Are you opening the car?
Sorry.
No. I've never been so embarrassed in my entire life.
But I warned you, guy. I warned you. But you won't listen to me. But wait, though. I thought you and... I think that was name. Amber. I thought you guys are in a beautiful place. Why use your hand just press pause for this time?
Bro, I'm beginning to lose interest in Amber.
Just like that. I don't understand.
You won't understand. Drive the car, let's get out of here.
You claim me now, what's happen? Why the big verse?
I've told you, sir. I'm really trying. Getting money in the city is not as easy as you people think. Okay, what's the doctor saying? 300,000? What? That's a lot of money. Do they think people pluck money from the trees? Okay, just relax. I'll see what I can do by weekend. Make sure you take care of Mama and keep everywhere calm, okay? Don't call me till weekend. video is given. Okay, posted. Your body is up. Posted. This girl can so call me at a wrong time. Hey babe, what's up? For real? You guys have new clothes already? All right, please keep them for me. I will be on my way right away. Yes. Please don't give it to anybody, I'm begging you. All right, darling, see you soon. Yes! We must slay on this Instagram. Let me take one more shot for Chief before I go. This is for you, Chief. All yours. Babe, me, I don't understand you. Now, the actual gown when you tell me, say you get with this. See, now these gowns are too long. I need short gowns. Gowns with plenty cleavage showing. What's me this?
Every time, short. Your shape will pop out for this one.
You know, like, so you see this one? I will take this one. You know why? Because it daylight. If I wear this one, I don't go wear pants inside. I don't go wear pants. I don't go wear bra. As I dey waka, the thing go just shake. Go do How man won't take resist?
I tire. But see, try and bring them back. Before my madam will notice, say I took some clothes from the shop.
Which kind of talk be that? I know they return your clothes back before. You know why they do all these things now? Now they wear all these clothes, make her they attract the right attention. If money enter, you say go enjoy.
Abi,
you know now.
I know. Now why they sacrifice like this for you? But how fast? How your mom now?
My mom no well, oh. She's not fine at all. She's really down, which is why I am doing all of this so I can send money for her medical treatment.
But why don't you ask your boss for money?
Now which kind of talk be that? Let me tell you, say she gave me money just last week. That'd be very insensitive of me.
Not true, you're correct.
Oh, this one, if I no go wear anything inside, everything will just show my skin.
You sure?
Up inside.
I believe you shall. You are the hottest.
No, me.
No, babe, just sit down and let me attend to my customers.
Welcome, sir.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
So I need to buy some things for my woman, so I need you to show me.
Okay, you know what? Just follow me, sir. Let me give you the ones we have here.
Okay.
Sir, is everything okay?
Yes, I'm sorry. I got distracted.
Okay, I should just pick and you select from there, right?
Yeah, if you see nice ones, just pack them all. You know she's a size 12. Right?
All right, sir. No problem, sir.
Hi.
Wait a minute. You? Is this what you do? Isn't it bad enough that you harassed me the other day on the road asking for my number? Now you're stalking me?
Stalking you? Look, I had no idea it was you sitting down here. I would have left the boutique immediately.
Really?
Yes.
Guys like you disgust me. So you're trying to tell me that a grown man like you cannot control the thing in between your legs?
Excuse me?
You're quite excused. Now listen to me and listen carefully. I am not in your class. Okay? You will never have me.
Is everything okay?
No, everything is not fine. Tell this church rat to keep his thing in between his legs. Control it.
Ashley.
Oh, please excuse me. I'm not on this class.
No, I'll be in my car. Just pack it all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Babe, your clothes will go.
Not interested. Oh, send it to me, I beg.
Sir, I'm so sorry about that. I'm sorry, sir.
No. It's fine. This is good. Right?
Yes, sir. I'll package them and bring to you downstairs. All right, sir. Ashley.
Why do I keep seeing her? Why is she so rude? I've never been insulted like this in my entire life. Anyway, you have to put yourself together. She's nothing.
Well, it was his fault.
I didn't like the way you talk with him, Ashley. You should be grateful a guy even approached
calm down now. What's wrong with you? Eh? You know how these things are done. Look, me, I'm looking for a guy that is swimming in so much cash. Like plenty cash.
How are you sure he doesn't even have what you need? He just came into the country recently and he's one of my best customers. Better look for a way to amend things with him.
Whatever. I've heard you, ma.
And again, please do well to send that money. My madam is asking me, please.
Done now. We send it. Eh? I've heard you. Bye. Because he came from abroad, does that mean he has money? All those broke people there. I beg. Show evidence. If you have money, you show evidence. I need to see raw cash. Anyways, let me speak to Chief and see what he has for me. Hello? Chief.
Ma, I'm sorry, ma. Mr. Jeff is coming. Maybe when he comes, we'll be able to...
Oh, shut up! Shut up on your mouth! So of all the good clothes you would have given him, you gave him these rags? Eh?
I'm sorry.
Do I look like someone that wear rags to you? Eh? Why would you give him these rags? Do you think, look at what I'm wearing? See how expensive it is. You're giving him these rags.
What's going on here?
Thank God you're here, sir.
But babe, why would you even buy this? Why would you accept this rags now? I don't understand. Must you buy from this boutique? Are you seeing her? Eh?
I don't understand. So, is this the reason why you had me running down here? By the way, why are you calling them rags? Do you know how expensive they are?
How much? How much? Just 100,000 naira. Chicken change.
You see, that's my problem with you. You're never appreciative. Nothing is ever enough for you. Nothing is ever good enough for you. You know what? Just give her whatever she wants. Anything she wants, send the bill to me.
Okay, sir.
Are you what? Did it work out on me?
I'm sorry about that.
Come on, let give me the good clothes you have here. You're giving me better. Anyway! Nonsense. 100,000 naira and so. What's this?
Yeah, hello? No. You know, I've already told you that I don't want to come to your house so I don't become a bother to you. Yes, of course. All right, sure. Okay.
You don't mean it. I'm very, very serious. Babe, you need to see how she treats him. You will pity him. Imagine her returning those clothes I picked for her and taking stuffs more than 200,000 naira. That's the same guy you're telling me does not have money.
Ashley, you've messed up. What was I thinking? Honestly, when I saw him, I thought he was just one regular fuckboy. I know Ritan now.
My
I
sister,
know Ritan.
the rich ones usually don't look it. They don't.
Oh, my mess up.
See, I'm just telling you so that in case by chance you meet him again, use your head before you make decision. I say, ma, tell you.
Of course now. This one pay me.
Hafa. That waka, hafa.
Which waka?
My one now.
Which waka you talk about? Relax. Calm down, Jerry. Now the same account number, Abi.
Yes, so. Baby, win jackpot! Hey, see, I got butter my bread. Wow. Are you serious?
I did serious. My sister, check your account.
See.
I don't talk too much.
Serious?
Account.
Babe, I believe you.
Check.
I too believe you. Just go bring drink, let's celebrate. This one is celebration.
I didn't come here, bring you.
My babe! My babe, see! You too much. You will talk about something again. You too much. I believe you. So that man just gave you the money just like that. Simple. Babe, just like that. He gave you that money.
Yes, sir.
You know, show me way. This is my work. You don't tire me.
You don't know way. Come here, talk tell me, follow me. What's it talk?
What does the manage the salary? Give me job. Babe, I'm happy. Come now. Why they delay?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Always.
Your papa! Babe, papa! This is really, 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 really good.
Yes, so.
Omo.
How much is
money? Money is nothing. Money is nothing.
How much is
Money is nothing. When you are involved, money is nothing.
Are you being serious? Look at the time you're coming. My makeup has already worn out.
Look, I don't have time for all of this. Are you gonna come in or not? Let's go.
I don't understand. Can't you apologize?
Apologize?
Yes.
Amber, did you apologize to me after that embarrassment at the boutique?
What are you saying?
What am I saying?
So now it's my own mistake or what? I should apologize for your own mistake.
Amber, are you gonna come into the car or not?
You have to apologize.
I see you're not ready to go. When you're ready, you take a cab.
What? Are you serious? Are you gonna leave me here?
Ashley, are you deaf? Do you not hear that I've been knocking this door since? Listen, if I stand in front of my house another 1 minute, you will lose your job. I mean, what rubbish is this?
What you don't tell me now? I don't know if she go come back now. Where we are going to enter? Enter kitchen. Carry this. Enter kitchen. Your big phone, my brother. Bring the big phone. I beg. Make you know. Enter kitchen. They back here. They come.
Welcome, ma.
You stood me outside for extra 25 minutes.
I am so sorry.
I'm sure you know what that means.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you were coming back today. I was in the bathroom when you called.
Spare me. Deduct 2,000 naira from your salary and tell me how much is left.
Ma, I said I'm sorry. I was...
What's all this? Why is my parlor this messed up?
I'm sorry, ma. I would fix it, but... I'm sorry, ma.
You better fix this place before I come downstairs.
Yes, ma. I'm so sorry, ma.
Meanwhile, my brother is coming anytime soon.
Okay, ma.
Fix something for all of us to eat.
Okay, ma.
Fix this parlor before I come downstairs.
Yes, ma.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What are you doing here?
I came to do delivery to one of our clients that lives around.
Oh, I see. Well, my sister lives here too.
Your sister?
Yes, is there a problem?
No, sir. No, sir. Not at all, sir.
All right then, have a nice day.
Okay, sir.
All right, take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Could that be? Who's there? Who is that? Wow, see who we have here. Oh my God.
It's so good
You
to see you.
came. So good to see you too.
Yes, how long has it been?
I know.
Wow, I like what you did with the house.
Thank you.
It's so good, it's so good.
Thank you.
Look at my sister. Let me hug again. So good to see you.
Same here.
Yeah.
You're looking good.
Thank you, thank you.
Sit down. Whew. Same here. So good to see you. At least before your wife will take you away, I haven't seen you.
Oh, come on, sis. I'm just getting married. It's not like I'm going to disappear after the wedding.
Oh, yes, I know that.
Exactly.
But you're looking good.
Thank you, thank you.
Where are your luggages?
Oh, I left them in the boot of the car.
Okay, let me call my girl to get it. Ashley!
Ashley. You have a name?
Ashley! Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is it taking you time to come out? Are you mad or something? Is something wrong with you?
I'm sorry, ma.
I don't understand. Go and get my brother's bag in the car now. I don't understand. What is happening here? Is there something I should know that I don't know? So this is what you do when I'm not around, huh? You disguise as being rich when you're just a common church rat. Oh my God. You go around frolicking with men when you don't even have anything to call yours.
Ma, please, I'm sorry. It's the work of the devil. I don't know what came over me. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
The work of the devil? Did I mention to you that she insulted me not once, but twice?
Sir, please. I'm sorry, sir. I don't know what came over me. Please.
Sis, I don't think I'm comfortable being under the same roof with this girl.
Sir, please. Please don't do this to me, sir.
You see?
If she's not out of this house by tomorrow, then I'll take my leave.
Please, sir, please. You can't do this. Please, I don't have anywhere to go to, sir. Please, I don't have anywhere to go to. This is my only source of livelihood, sir. Please, I'm sorry. God, ma.
When I say you disgust me, you think I'm joking.
I'm sorry,
Look
ma.
at what you're doing to my brother.
I'm sorry, ma. Please, ma, I'm sorry. Please. It's the work of the devil.
What are you still doing here?
Sir. Good afternoon, sir.
I believe you can understand English properly. I said, what are you still doing here?
Sir, please. I am so sorry for all the horrible things I said to you. I didn't know any better. If I knew what I know now, I would never have tried it. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Don't allow me lose this job. Please, sir, I don't have anywhere to go to. I'm sorry. I'm sincerely sorry, sir. Please.
I can't fire her. If I fire her, who will take care of this whole house?
But there are more than enough people out there who are willing to take up the responsibility and will be happy to do it. I don't feel comfortable with her being here.
I mean, just ignore her. I mean, to think that in a couple of months you're getting married. She's just a house help. You see, there's one thing I really don't understand about you. That you're getting married in no time. Why are you still looking for women?
That is not the bone of contention here.
Oh.
Yes. I'll be in my room, sis.
You needed to see how stupid I look in front of him. Ah! No.
It cannot be compared to the embarrassment I felt since he arrived.
Oh baby, it's strange how he's your boss's brother. This world is really a small place, so.
You can say that again. At this point, I don't even think I still have my job.
But Ashley, if you ask me, you brought all of this upon yourself.
Are you
Now.
serious?
Yes, now.
This is what you have to say. You call yourself my friend and I'm venting to you and you're adding salt to my injury?
I'm sorry.
Come on now. Not be so they don't do things.
No, very sorry. Sorry. But see, I know what you're going through. But promise me that no matter what you go through or no matter how this case be, you will not let your emotions get the best of you. Because from what I'm saying, it's going to be a very, very long journey.
I beg, it's fine. Don't remind me of my sorrows, please. It's okay. I'll be fine, I guess.
Take care. Let me arrange these things.
Wait, hold on first. One sip for clear understanding. You mean that babe works here?
As a maid, bro. And you should see her acting like the president's daughter that day.
I'm sure she'll be so embarrassed. Even yourself.
What? Bro, the embarrassment was premium. It was as if the ground should just open, and let her enter inside. Telling you. Talk of the devil.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, afternoon.
Every time we talk about the devil appears. That's it.
But you take a cheap now. You don't have to be that rude.
What are you saying? Don't even get started. You're not the one she embarrassed the other day.
But this girl is sharp.
Hey. Focus.
Okay.
Straight face.
So how's the wedding plans going?
Oh, it's going on well, ma. Very well.
Ooh, good. Good to hear that.
Yes, ma.
So why didn't you tell him you were coming around?
I just wanted to surprise him. He doesn't know I'm aware he recently moved in.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma.
That's nice.
Yes.
Ashley! Ashley! Please come.
Yes, ma'am.
Get us something to drink.
Okay. With a glass of juice, please.
Yeah, thank you.
Just make yourself comfortable,
Thank
okay?
you, ma. Thank you.
I really can't wait for that day to come.
Right, same here. Hey, babe. Baby.
I said, what are you doing here and who gave you this address?
My love.
Touch me.
You really don't want to embarrass me in front of your sister.
And I will more than embarrass you if you don't leave this house now. Just get out.
I'm sorry, sir. It was a mistake.
I said get out of the way.
Okay, let me just clean it.
Just...
I'll be leaving now, ma. Sorry.
All right, dear. I'll find out what the problem is. All right, dear. What's happening here? Jephthah! Ashley! What happened?
I spilled drinks. I'm trying to clean it up. I'm sorry, ma.
It's okay. It can't be that bad.
It is bad.
Really?
It is really bad. Yes. Amber is so materialistic. Yes, I do have the resources. But does that mean I'm going to waste it? She lacks courtesy. She lacks respect. She doesn't know how to talk. The way she speaks to me, you would think I'm a houseboy. I mean, I would be shooting myself in the foot if I agreed to get married to somebody like that. I'm even happy we came to Nigeria together because I am beginning to see sides of her that I've never seen since I knew her.
But wait, have you tried talking to her?
Not once, not twice, not thrice. Amber cannot change.
It's fine, it's fine. Take a deep breath. Calm down. I think you're overwhelmed. You need to calm down so you understand everything that is happening. Yeah. It's better. You should just take it easy with her. Calm down. Calm down.
He couldn't even say sorry. As if it wasn't his fault we bumped into each other in the first place. Such a sadist. What kind of stupid, nonchalant attitude is that? Okay, if you know you can't stand me in this house, then leave. After all, when I came in here, I didn't see you. I didn't meet you. There you go. Don't use your radio to come and spoil my blues, oh. Sis. Just come be frowning his face everywhere. You go frown your face from morning to night, yet you eat my food.
Ashley. Ashley. Ashley.
Sir.
Is this how you sleep?
Sorry, sir. I slept late last night.
I didn't ask any explanation. The plumber has been downstairs waiting for you for over an hour.
Okay, sir. I'll attend to him.
Better do. So why do you have all those pictures of you on social media looking all rich, flamboyant and all that? Giving people the impression that you're a big girl. So I'm curious as to why. Why don't you live your truth?
With all due respect, sir, you don't know anything about me. And as such, you're not in the position to advise me.
Are you talking to me like that?
Yes, sir. I mean, I've apologized. Yet you keep picking on me. What have I done? What did I do that no one else has done before? I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to be rude.
It's fine. You may go.
I'm sorry, sir.
You're not getting my point. You never should have given her this address in the first place. Or at least just ask me. Give me a phone call. Ask me if that is what I want.
Why are you so angry?
Why wouldn't I be angry?
This is your fiancé we're talking about.
And so?
If you guys have an issue, you settle it, bro. Why are you mad?
You see, that's
No, hold on. Before you have an omelette, you need to break a few eggs, bro.
This has nothing to do with anything you're talking about. You see, that is the exact reason why I don't like bringing you into personal matters of mine. You act like you know everything.
So tell me, what is it I don't know? Okay. No, tell me. If you have issues with her, just settle it. Be moved on with her instead of stringing her along. Yeah, thank you. Hold on. Thank you. Your wahala plenty, oh. Alpha.
Guy, please, that's not the matter.
Hey, Jeff. Why are you so angry?
Please don't do that next time. I don't find it funny at all.
My bad.
Ma'am, he will be with you shortly.
Okay. Sorry, come. Aren't you Ashley Edwards on Instagram?
Is there a problem?
I knew it. I thought as much. From the very first time I saw your face, I knew it that this is Ashley Edwards. But I don't understand, like, you're a maid. And your Instagram carries another description. I don't get.
I
Don't stress yourself to explain. I'm sure you're one of those Instagram baddies looking for men to milk. Yes. But let me warn you. Don't try that with my Jefta. If not, you wouldn't like the trolls you'll be getting on social media.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Can you go? Ashley Edwards. You Maid. Babe, I don't even have any money on me. Even my last salary, I had to add it up and pay my rent.
What kind of problem is this now? What kind of wahala is this? Where am I supposed to get money from? I really, really need money. My mom's life is in danger as I speak to you. I need to look for...
But Ashley, why not talk to your boss? Then maybe we should be reducing the money from your account.
I can't now.
Your salary better still.
I can't be doing that every time. That woman is always giving me money anytime I'm in trouble. I can't continue like this now. Not be every small thing will happen, I go wrong, go meet him. I can't do this. I don't want to involve her, I beg.
This matter is really serious, so it's something you need urgent money for. You don't think you should just do it that way?
See, babe, just give me cold water, let me drink. My head wants to blow. My head wants to explode like this. Just give me water, let me drink.
Sorry. Hey, Ashley.
Where am I supposed to get money from now? And the money they are calling is not even small money. It's not small money. It's almost 500k. Where am I supposed to get that kind of money from?
I said I'm sorry.
You do these things and then you come and say you're sorry. You just don't want to change. Right? I'm beginning to sound like a chatterbox. Okay, if we're being honest to ourselves, if you're telling yourself the truth, do you think we have a connection right now?
I'm sorry, okay? I promise you it won't repeat itself again. Alright? You know our wedding is at the corner. You shouldn't let all this argument ruin it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, about the wedding, I think we should slow things down a bit. I don't like the way things are going between us.
Slow things down. I don't understand.
In simple terms, Amber, we should postpone the date of the wedding. At least till we're sure we're what we want.
What do you mean postpone the wedding? I don't understand. Where's all this one coming from? Jeff, our wedding is barely a month away.
Amber, are you more concerned about the wedding or the marriage? That's the only way this works. Excuse me.
You say you wanted to see me, right?
Yes, Ma.
Yeah, what for?
Ma, I wanted to request for your permission to be away for a couple of days.
Why?
My mom is very sick and my attention is needed at home.
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry.
Thank you, Ma.
Oh, that must be urgent.
Yes, Ma, it's very urgent.
So when are you coming back?
I should be back by next week.
Oh.
I just need to be with her for the weekend. Take care of her, do one or two things for her. Maybe take her to the hospital, depending on how bad her situation is.
Okay. That's fine.
Please.
It's okay. You have my permission.
Thank you so much, Ma. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. I'll just go and prepare.
Yeah, just take care of yourself.
Thank you.
All right.
This girl is actually very beautiful. Damn. So gorgeous. But I don't really get it. Why the fakeness? Why? What about you fascinates me so much?
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm all right. Just doing some work on my phone. Yeah.
Food is ready. Come and eat.
Of course. Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm right behind you.
She says so.
All right.
All right.
All right, sis.
I'm waiting.
Sure. You keep feeding me like I'm a child.
Yeah. What better way can I treat my mother's last born?
You're aware that I'm getting married very soon, right?
Whatever.
By the way, where's Ashley?
Oh, she traveled.
She traveled?
Yeah. She had an emergency.
Where did she travel to?
To the village, of course.
To the village?
Yeah.
For an emergency? Did she tell you the kind of emergency? And did she tell you when she was going to come back?
When did you start caring about her?
Okay, no. I just haven't seen her around the house. That's why I was asking. It's not that I care about her, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
She's off.
Okay. So she didn't tell you when she was going to be back?
Come. Let's stop talking about her. Let us talk about you. What's happening to your marriage and Amber?
Actually, this food is going to get cold. Let's eat. I don't want to lose my appetite.
I won't. Maybe I'm a good cook.
So she didn't tell you. She didn't tell you anytime.
I don't understand.
That's fine. It's fine.
Guy, I told you to put your money on Tank. I told you to put your money on Tank that he was going to win that match. See the way that match played out, yeah? So Frank Martin started with the first 4 rounds. He started coming with full power. Full power. Now David was coming close to him because he wanted to tire him out. Before I cut my tongue, he wanted to tire him out. And it really happened for real. Now, because by the 7th round, now come and see Jovante Davis picking this guy out. With the left hook, the other left uppercut, full strength, full dabbing. Guy, did you see that left uppercut before the left hook, before Frank Martins went to the floor? Guy, now you are the follow talk now.
Oh yeah. So you said, what did Javante Davis do to Francis Ngannou?
You know who kill me. What did Jova do to Frank? How?
Sorry. I just realized I said rubbish.
What was the problem?
It's Ashley. She hasn't come back from the village. I don't know what's going on.
Wait to. You think Sammy will see forget that, man. That's Ashley, your sister's house.
Oh yeah.
Dude, how is that a problem?
She is my sister's maid, right? She's not just a maid, she's a living maid. And listen, while she lives under this roof, she is our responsibility. So anything that happens to her, we will be held accountable.
My guy. Hey, G, calm down. You know I know you better than you know yourself.
Yeah, I know.
My guy, I don't see you finish. That babe still the entire.
Let's talk about boxing, really. So the Javante Davis and Anthony Joshua fight, how far?
Nigga, those 2 people are not in the same weight class. What are you talking about? Get your ass together.
Yeah. Can we talk about
We're not
business?
talking about anything again, guy. The problem with you right now is you can't even keep a straight conversation. You don't even understand what I'm saying. You dey yarn akpata. You dey talk up and down, guy. Focus now.
Yeah. I need to get something. I'll be right back. Okay.
Oh my G. But for real, he didn't tell me anything, man. He didn't. Don't you think you're overthinking this thing? Overthinking no fit solve problem.
I don't think so. See, Jepta can't possibly do this to me. I will call him, he will not call me back. I will send him text messages, he won't return my text. I don't get, like, he was always all over me, but now everything has changed. Like, it feels so different. I don't understand what's happening. Oh, is he seeing someone else?
Nah, you should know by now. Jeffter is a one-woman man. He just wants to stick to his baby and just hold his baby and be fine.
I know, but...
Okay, just chill. I'll do something for you, yeah? I'll just talk to him. I'll find out what the problem is and I'll talk to him.
That's why I came to meet you, please.
I got
please, you. Please, Simon, I beg you, please.
No, I did for you.
Please, thank you so much. I'll be so grateful.
No, I got you.
Please, thank you. Thank you. Thanks for meeting up with me. Thank you so much. We'll see now.
Yeah, I do. Shoulder to lean on like this. To lean on, and I go feel say lean on me, mean say make them press person key. Make una take am easy.
What I was trying to say is that I don't appreciate the way you're meddling into personal affairs of mine. I mean, why would she come talk to you in the first place? It's our private matter. It doesn't involve anyone else.
She's scared. I think she's scared. Yeah, I think she's scared. Meanwhile, what's this thing about calling off your wedding that I'm hearing? What's happening?
We'll get to the wedding later. Amber is scared.
Yeah, she
I
is.
should be the one who's scared. I. Okay, it's an established fact that Amber is what? Materialistic. Yes, we all know that. But lately she's rude, she's disrespectful, and she doesn't even speak like someone who's sensible. And I've said it to you before, and this is me saying it again. I will be shooting myself in the foot if I proceed to marry her.
So what are you going to do now?
I want to call off the wedding totally.
Well, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine if that's what you want. It's okay. You see, marriage is not something you rush into. You take your time. So, take your time. I am behind you.
It's totally a shocker to me that you take my side.
Thanks. Why are you talking like that?
Well... And by the way, she should stop coming to talk to you as if she's the saint and I'm the bad person.
Yeah, what do you expect from human beings? Everybody wants to be a saint, you know.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's fine, no problem. It's okay.
Guy, be fast now. Is it going to take you forever to dress up?
Hey, relax, okay? I'm already here now. I'm already here.
Guy, why you do always do this thing? Hold on, make I check something. You wear bra? Because why is it going to take you like over 30 minutes to dress up?
The whole idea is never be caught on fresh. And you know my propensity for greatness is unmatched. You go follow me, Abi, you no go follow.
You are too vain.
I know.
But guy, now escort me, slave with a start. Don't turn me to your slave. Oh.
Simon, leave me alone. Simon, are you fucking kidding me? Calm down. Just allow me go.
Take a chill pill.
I should take a chill pill? Look, that was my girlfriend. My girlfriend. Somebody I'm supposed to get married to. I saw her with an old man, giving him a lap dance, kissing him, and you expect me to calm down?
Just chill first now. We'll sort this thing out.
No. That's why nothing I do for her is ever enough. Nothing. What? Why are you showing me prostitutes?
Chill now, look again.
That's Ashley.
Yes now.
I thought she said she was in the village.
Guy, can this night get any worse?
Excuse me. Hey!
Jesus.
What are you doing here?
Good evening, sir.
But I thought you said... Hey, follow me.
What? No, I'm not going anywhere with you. This is
Look,
not the house where you can order me around.
You will come with me or else I will do something that you don't like. Now follow me.
I will not follow you.
I said follow.
No, leave me alone.
I said follow. I said you will follow me.
Leave me alone.
You
Stop
follow
it. Easy. I'm not going.
Come here. What the hell is wrong with you?
What's your problem?
What were you doing there? Does that place look like your village?
How is it your business? Huh? Why do you keep meddling in my private life? Do I owe you anything? Wait a minute. Is it sex you want from me? Huh?
What kind of talk is that? Why would you even say that?
Then what is it? Why can't you mind your business and allow me handle mine? If you like me, you can say it.
Like you.
Yes.
I only decided to save you from making a mess of your life tonight.
And stop saving me. I don't need it. Next time, mind your damn business. Listen, nothing will happen to Mama. Just beg the doctor for me. Tell him that I will send him money before the end of the day. Yes, I will. I'm expecting my salary today, so I will send him the money. Are you listening to what I'm saying? I said beg him. Beg him for me. Just beg him. I will send him the money. He should go ahead with the dialysis, please. Okay, I'll send it. I promise you, I'll send it.
Where do you think you're going to dress like that?
I'm going for a business meeting.
Business?
Yes.
Just like this?
And what is wrong with how I'm dressed? Huh?
Does my sister know you multitask?
What is it? What is your problem with me in this house? Why can't I drink water and drop cup without you complaining? Now you locked the door. Why?
See, I overheard you talking to your brother. I know you're going to see an old man. To sleep with him for money, isn't it? I reached out to my sister, got your account number. I just sent you 500,000 naira. You can use that to sort out the medical bill for now. Please don't do what you're about to do. The choice is yours. Keys on the net.
Babe, are you in the shop? Okay, I'm coming over. Babe, it wasn't funny, you. You needed to have seen the way he dragged me out of that place. You would think I'm his younger sister or something.
But if you ask me, I think that guy really, really likes you.
I beg, he should rest. Which kind of dirty likeness be that? Somebody that I told you that treats me like trash. Should keep his likeness to himself. The most important thing is the fact that he gave me money for my mom's medical bills.
You don't mean it.
I swear to God. It was as how dumbfounded I was. I was just there, I couldn't even say a word because I was surprised. And I quickly transferred the money to my brother before I hear stories that talk. You know that guy, sometimes.
So, babe, wait. Actually, with all these things happening, you want to tell me you don't know that guy really likes you?
I don't understand. Do I have water in my mouth when I said he's engaged? I don't understand. Is it that you are hearing from here and it's coming out from here? The guy don't marry. As far as I'm concerned, he's married. How am I supposed to be? I better go. I may be all things, but I do not like to destroy people's homes. I'm not going to be the reason another woman happily ever after is shattered. Please.
It's your
That's not what
choice,
brought
my
me
friend.
Here. Anyways, have fun now. Any better?
I beg, not just even put eye. You almost caused problem for me with my madam. Don't even put eye. I beg.
Even if not that blue gown, I beg now. I beg.
You'll bring her on time.
Calm down. I will bring her now.
Oh, yeah,
That
wait,
blue
ma, check
dress.
her
That
for
blue
you.
dress. Okay, just give me that blue dress.
So, bro, what are you going to do?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna call it off. I mean, I would have never believed, not in a million years, that Amber would do this. I mean, I don't even know what to do. But it's fine, right? I will move on. I'll be fine eventually. But this is a clear indication of what I've been trying to say all this while. Nobody was listening to me. Everybody thought I was the problem.
For real, I'm sorry, bro. I'm very sorry. I feel your pain right now. Yeah, but you just have to move on.
Yeah, sure, of course.
But you just believe say, I did your back now. You're too icy. I got your back.
Of course, yeah. Thanks, man.
Don't worry, you'll come out of it. You're a strong man.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna fall in love anyhow.
Just a little bit of time, everything aligns. The degrees of love, the degrees of love, the degrees of love.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Any problem?
I just wanted to come say thank you for the money you assisted me with. It went a long way.
You're welcome. I mean, it's a privilege to help.
Once again, thank you so much, sir.
Once again, you're welcome.
Also, is there anything you'd love me to do for you?
No, nothing. You can retire to bed.
Thank you, sir.
And so?
And so? That's all you have to say? And so? Really? I asked you what you were doing there and you're telling me and so? After I caught you with an old man for licking and you're asking me?
Look, Jephthah, I really don't know where all this is heading to. Do you understand? If you think I'm going to kneel down here and beg for your forgiveness, you're probably dreaming.
Really? Wait, when did you become this person? Was this a side of you I was yet to see? What's going on?
Look, I am not here for all of this pep talk. Do you understand? You have always insisted on making love to me after we get married.
Are you kidding me? You and I agreed that we were not going to have sex until we got married. So what changed?
Oh, well, I changed. I changed my mind. I couldn't enjoy it anymore.
Well, you could have at least told me. That is what you should have done. Okay, come on. Why are you doing this? We've been together for a while now. You want to throw away everything we've worked for over the years in the mud?
Everything has ended a long time ago. You were just too blind to see it. Excuse me. Oh!
Hello, people.
Welcome. I was just on my way out. Sorry.
People fighting again.
We'll talk about it later. Welcome back.
You mean all this happened in space of 1 week?
Honestly, you did.
Now, wow. Thank God you cancelled. I mean, would you have had all this to deal with?
Besides the fact that I'm grateful to God it did. So I feel like this is very embarrassing and painful at the same time. Yes,
it is.
Well, enough about me.
Yeah.
How was the business?
Business is fine, very well. So tell me, how are you coping?
Jesus. you just dress properly?
You invaded my privacy. You should be apologizing and not making orders.
Well, you should not be leaving things in the fire and coming to your room.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God.
Love is patient, love is caring, love opens up all doors, love opens up all doors. Love is endearing, love is supporting, love opens up for more. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. There's a breeze of love. There's a breeze of love. Love opens up for more. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. There's a breeze of
Was it really that obvious?
Very, very.
Okay, I think I probably found her relief fascinating.
Really?
Yeah.
Come off that. Come see, I'm going to my friend's place. She has a very beautiful daughter.
No. I am not a fan of this arranged marriages. Yeah.
They dear. If you don't go, you will not know. Let's go.
I'm fine.
You will like her.
Besides,
don't
what's the
you?
point? I'll be going back to the United States very soon, so
I bet come over. What's wrong with you?
I'm not going.
Are you sure?
The only place I want to go now is the road that leads to Christ. Not interested in all this.
Okay, yeah, come, let's go, Joe.
No. Enjoy yourself. Have fun.
All right. See you.
Yeah. Bye.
All right. Take care. Bye.
There's a breeze of love. There's a breeze of love. A breeze of love.
G. No bad now. Make we still do chess now.
Breeze of love.
So I've decided to leave.
There's a breeze of
There's nothing here left for me.
So, what about Ashley?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
But don't you think you should talk to her? Tell her how you really feel. Like how you really feel.
Simon, I don't know if it's real. I don't know what it is at this point. Besides, it's just too early to be jumping into another relationship. And what's the point? I'll be going back very soon.
But it's still going to hurt you the more if you leave and you know that she was everything you ever wanted. Just try and talk to her. At least it did better than for you to just stay here, the wave around like person with their future ambition. Sorry.
Yeah, it's
I'm
alright.
not saying that serious people, but be serious now, bro. You can't just up and leave like that.
All right. I'll think about it.
Okay. At least we just get small hope. Sorry. Sorry, bro. Think. Because if you think too much, this one will still pass you by. Sorry.
love is caring. Love opens up all doors. Love opens up all doors. Love is endearing.
you go, Ma.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
You said you wanted to see me.
Yes, Ma.
I'm all ears.
I wanted to tell you that I'll be resigning by the end of the month.
Why? Is it the salary?
No. I just want to do something else with my life.
You know how discreet I love Ashley. If you leave, it's going to be a very big blow on me.
I'm sorry, Ma, but I actually would love to try out something new, and I already have plans.
It's going to be a very big blow on me.
Big blow?
Yeah.
What is happening?
She wants to resign.
What? Why?
I just want to try something different. Yes, I want to put my life back in place.
If it's the salary, I can increase it.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Is there any other thing you need?
No, I'm fine. I don't know.
When were you planning to tell me that you were resigning?
I didn't know I owed you that information, sir.
Where are you going?
I'm going elsewhere to start my life afresh. And why are you asking me all of these questions? Do you like me?
How do you... How do you mean?
Well, that's the only explanation there is to this. From the first day you saw me, you kept picking on me.
I really like you, Ashley. So much.
You really like me, or you want to get in between my legs?
I am not the type of guy.
How do you like someone and then say all those mean things to them? Sir, please, I think it's time you left my room.
I'm sorry I was mean to you. I was in denial. I was trying to process my feelings. I was mostly in doubt. I wasn't sure. But I need you to know this and believe me. From the first time I set my eyes on you, I haven't stopped thinking about you.
This makes no sense. You're engaged.
We're not together anymore.
Love is patient, love is caring, love opens up all doors, love opens up all doors. Love is endearing, love is supporting, love opens up for more. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligned. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. There's a breeze of love. Oh, there's a breeze of love. There's a breeze of love. There's a breeze of love.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Please sit with me.
Sir,
I insist. Please. I need you to tell me something. Why the pretense?
pretense.
You know what I'm talking about?
Sir, I don't understand. Sir, I came to this city primarily to work, earn money, and take care of my sick mother. Luckily for me, I ran into your sister who left this big building for me to take care of. Although the pay was really good, but it wasn't enough. It wasn't up to what the doctor demanded. So I knew I had to do something to save my mom's life. So I resorted to looking for men who were willing to exchange their money for my body. That was why I had to disguise most of the time in order to attract the right attention.
So, the day I saw you, you were in one of your escapades.
Yes. I am truly sorry for the way I spoke to you that day.
No, it's fine, it's fine. I should be the one who's apologizing. Afterwards, I judged you and... Damn. I shouldn't have. I should have done better. I messed up. You're a beautiful woman. And above that, you're smart. Actually, I've fallen in love with you. And I know you're, a little bit crazy here and there, but that's what I love the most about you. And you can't deny you don't love me too. I see the way you look at me. Hey.
How am I supposed to know that you don't just want to get into my pants?
I would never do that to you.
You just want to...
I would never do that to you. That's not the kind of person I am.
Welcome, Ma.
What is happening here?
It's fine.
What is happening?
Welcome.
What's happening here? The fact that it didn't work out between you and Amber, it doesn't mean you should fall in love with a mere maid.
I fell in love. At least you should be happy for me.
Can you listen to yourself? No, are you listening to yourself? Then what happens to our family?
Our family? The same family that betrothed Amber to me? I would have married her, and that would have been the biggest mistake of my life. I love that girl. And you of all people should respect that. Can you do that for me?
So, babe, what are you planning to do now?
Honestly, babe, I don't even know. The annoying part is I don't even know his intention towards me. I don't know if he genuinely likes me or if he just wants to get down with me, you know, to fulfill his sexual desires.
See, Ashley, why not look at it like this? Him meeting you twice, and it happens that you work for the sister. It's not just a coincidence. If you ask me, like I said earlier, I think that guy really, really likes you. And I know you like him too. If not, you won't be here talking about it.
Oh yeah, you don't catch me. You catch me, Sha. I like him. I really do, actually, but I have a problem.
Okay.
His sister doesn't seem to like me enough for her brother. I don't think she likes me at all for him.
If you still ask me, I feel if you both decide to be together, she has no choice than to accept it. Yes.
Well, you kind of have a point. I like him, Sha. I like him. I'm not even gonna cap. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm happy for you.
Okay, let's just watch and see.
What are you doing?
I'm here to give you what you want. My body. It's all yours.
Okay, what are you talking
Don't
about? Stop
take
it, stop.
please.
Okay, stop.
Oh, you don't have to act nice. Shh. I promise you no one will know.
No. Listen. Stop. Okay. All right. Please just zip up a little bit, okay? Look, if I wanted sex, I could get it elsewhere. All right? I want you, okay? But not for what you have to offer. And you don't have to offer me anything, okay? Look, I want to make love to you, knowing that you are mine and no one else's.
Chifta, I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
I'm scared of everything. You, your sister, the future, everything.
Well, what's important is that you want me.
I want you. I really want you.
So I take that as a yes?
Yes.
Love is patient, love is caring, love opens up all doors, love is endearing.
Just like that. When you say it, it makes it sound like it's something that we planned. Apparently, the girl just, felt for me the way I felt for her. That's it.
Guy, I'm so happy for you, guy. I would like to be like you when I grow.
Yeah, before you say, I didn't tell you.
Okay.
I just sorted out her visa. When I'm working on tickets, she's traveling back with me.
This is super story. Guy! But wait, oh. How far Rebecca? How is she taking it?
Well, there's a little problem here and there, but I'm sure she'll come around.
Yeah, but wait, oh. Only you, only you, only you. One time you're in love, the next time you're not in love, you're about to get married, married don't crash, you got heartbroken, next thing you picked up to, I found another love of my life and I want to settle down. Guy, what thing you can't do me now? No hope for me.
Sometimes, my friend, life is a journey, alright? And you have to just be patient and wait for your turn.
On top love, you don't motivation last week.
Let's go.
Guy, you know where? No where?
Most times I get confused about what you really want. Is it money you want? In fact, it has always been what you wanted. I could give you lots and lots of them. How much do you want?
Ma, I don't want any money from you.
Are you trying to tell me you love my brother? Oh, spare me those lies. How much do you want? How much do you want?
Ma, I know we got off on the wrong foot. But I really do like your brother. I understand if you're finding it difficult to believe me or to accept it, but it's the truth. Yes, in the past, I had to outsource for money. That was for a genuine reason that I have already explained to your brother.
You better start packing your things and getting ready to leave this house. I'm sure I've made myself clear.
I was foolish. I let my desires had the best out of me. I'm so sorry.
If you're here to beg for forgiveness, I've forgiven you a long time ago. But if you're here to ask me to come back to you, that will never happen. I've moved past that.
Just please, I beg you, please. Look, my parents are on my neck. No, I'm so sorry.
You should have thought about that. You should have thought about that when you left me for an old man.
Sorry, sorry.
It's funny I was the one begging you before.
I still love you. I really do. I still love you so
I
much.
don't anymore.
Are you in love with someone else?
I don't owe you that information. You know your way out. So you
Yeah, like I was saying, all those questions I asked was, if you really loved my brother. Yeah, but I'm convinced that you love him.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Um,
At this point, I am in full support of whatever both of you want to do.
Thank you, sis. Most importantly, for having my back, looking out for me. And I want to thank you too for inviting me to your precious home. Because without that, I wouldn't have met the beautiful Ashley. Thank you once again.
My pleasure. Hey, you, don't turn my house into a meet and greet site.
Well, a meet and greet site it has become.
Oh, please don't.
Love is caring. Love opens up all doors.
Look at my girl.
Love is endearing. Love is supporting. Love opens up for more. With just a little bit of time. Just a little bit of time. Everything
I'm going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you too, Mama.
Please take care of my brother. Take care of him as long as you keep him.
I promise I will. Ma, please stop crying. Stop crying. You're going to make me cry. Stop crying, please.
Please,
I promise I will.
take care of him for me, please.
Oh, the women in my life. Come on, don't miss me too much.
I'm already missing you.
Don't worry. Look, we will spend a few days in her village. Spend some time with her mom, make sure she's okay before we head to the United States. And we'll be back in a few months' time to complete our marriage plans. Okay? Come on.
She's really emotional.
I know, she's already getting emotional. Aw. She's always screaming, this is my baby brother now. Look. Who's big brother now? Come.
Love is patient, love is caring, love opens up all doors, love opens up all doors. Love is endearing, love is supporting.
You see, that's one thing about my big sister. She acts all bossy and then she's the most emotional one. Don't worry, I'll get there.
Just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligned to it. Just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything aligns. There's a